What if I told you these soft lemon cookies start with a box cake mix and one secret ingredient? Let me show you how to make them. Add your lemon cake mix, egg, fresh lemon juice, and zest, and the whipped topping. The whipped topping is the secret ingredient. That makes our cookies incredibly soft and light, while the lemon juice and the fresh zest give it that bright homemade lemon flavor. We're going to mix it on low, then stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl, then continue mixing until everything is thoroughly combined. And that's it! Cookie dough ready! Now, drop the cookie dough by teaspoonfuls into a small bowl with some powdered sugar. Generously coat the cookie batter with powdered sugar. Place it on a cookie sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. When the cookies come out of the oven, place them on a cooling rack for about 10 to 15 minutes, if you can wait that long. And you know the best part about making these lemon drop cookies? Yes, you're right, is tasting these lemon drop cookies. They are so light, tasty, and they really, really tasty. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you'd like to know more about my lemon blueberry muffins, make sure you watch this video.